Hey everyone, Eric here from Brick and Nick and Friends to bring a quick review of the WLtoys K989 RC four-wheel drive rally car. Just to show you guys what comes in the box, there's a different pinion and spur gears as well as a gear to assist in making the driveline longer. This does have adjustable drivetrain length from 98 millimeters to 102. You've got a simple USB LiPo charger for the 2-cell battery that I have inside the car, and I'll show you that in just a second, as well as a service manual that shows you what every part is, where everything goes, and lists the name of the parts at the end. You can see here, and just some other small information that you might need for the car. Car also comes with the remote that you need to use it. It would take 4 AA batteries, and it is nice to the touch. This is a nice soft foam grip. It is proportional throttle and steering, so you can get the exact inputs you want. And lastly, of course, we have the car itself. It is held on by body clips, which I have removed for ease of this video. So the body comes right off. It's a nice Lexan body. It does feel sturdy, and I've crashed it a couple times and doesn't seem to really have any damage to it. And inside here, we have the car. As you can see, the battery that I said I put in here earlier. Out of the box, this thing is really fast. I'll cut to a clip real quick of me zipping across my living room with it. Well, that wasn't even full speed. You can see it's actually even a little bit hard to control with going full speed around here, and it does slide quite a lot on these tires. I will say though, the driveline is very sticky out of the box. I've had to go through and sand different mold lines and incorrect pieces that just weren't quite cast as well as they should have to make these diffs even work. They're supposed to be open, as you can see, but out of the box they are completely solid just because the casting wasn't done super well. It's just about an hour of work to disassemble the whole car and sand it, but you can also, if you wanted locked diffs, you can drive it straight that way out of the package. The controller turns on with this button down here with quite a loud beep, and then the car has an on-off switch located right here and a quieter beep. One of the super cool things about this car is the aftermarket support for it. There's tons of hop-up parts as well as replacement parts available, and the community behind it is awesome because they even come out with 3D printed parts for the things. As you can see, I 3D printed some drift wheels for this. So yeah, there's the WLtoys K989. Like I said, it does need a little bit of work out of the box to make it run smoothly and perfectly, but you can also just drive it the way it is out of the box if you would like to.